Photo of Moesha's rotten plastic surgery. You don't expose. Yes, so my people, now here be one TV where they bring in the latest of Wenge news. You understand? As it hot. Hey, one of the slay queen celebrity for Ghana. Yes, she don't expose herself with herself by herself. My people. Now so this girl come outside. See, when she first do this thing, people just they ask. You do this thing. No, I no do. Till she come outside, come talk am by herself again. Now she don't come outside, come admit, say yes, she do plastic surgery. And the name of the plastic surgery na Brazilian butt lift. Now, wow. No be small thing, no. And that kind of surgery, no be the normal one. No, this one na the fat transplant where they remove fat. Any part of your body where you get fat, where you no like them, they go remove and put them for where you like them. Now the kind of surgery where she do, and she do admit and finally for now. We never watch the video. I won't make una hear and with una own koro ears. Make we watch the video first.
The BBL, that's the Brazilian fat lift, because it started from Brazil.
Okay.
A lot of Brazilian women do a lot of fat transfers and stuff. That's how the name came about. The Brazilian butt lift.
Butt lift.
Yeah.
But why did you opt for plastic surgery?
I used to work out a lot, and I was getting results. I'm always dieting, waist training, and I think I wanted fast results. I was not too patient, so I was like, you know what? I read about plastic surgery. I heard about BBL. I was like, you know what? Let me go try it. And I was like, okay. And I did my little research, and I went, and I love it.
Okay.
I got the result. It gives you fast results.
Really?
The result you want, yes.
But weren't you scared of the repercussions? The
No, I
consequences?
read about it. Before I went, I did a lot of research. And I realized that it's something that people have been doing years ago. You understand? But I don't know. This generation, we are more exposed and to the internet and everything, so you get to see a lot of things. So that's why I did my research. And I was like, you know what?
Okay.
Let me try it.
And let you try.
Now, wow. Now she don't go post picture. She herself don't forget the side of the leg don't they show. Because my people, the thing, the repercussion don't they come. For now, we never even see the picture. See her there. That side. Now she go come like saying a tattoo. I don't even understand these people. The thing don't come out. And una know say all these girls where they suffer like this, they get reason. And one of the main reasons now all these doctors we no know wetin they go learn where they come they keep people. Dr. Ogben, this man na, in fact, I don't even want to call him doctor because I don't know wetin they do. He say he study plastic surgery, say he travel abroad, many things. So he come back, decide to open his own place. Now he don't they perform surgery on top girls. Just they use girls' body, they play. And they say in wife, na himself do in wife body, he say according to his taste. So he shaped the wife the way he like her. And as I talk to una, my people, see, imagine the kind doctor who una just they allow make it they touch una body. Person where even they sleep with impatience. Yes, if they sleep with impatience. Imagine say the surgery na 12,000 cedis. He go come tell you, okay, bring half, then you settle the other half with your body. So before operation, you understand? After operation, he go still be the first to inaugurate the body. No be small thing, no. Money, wahala for who no get money, oh. Even as I dey talk to una like this, Kolebu don tire. Yes, Kolebu hospital. They don't tire because after this man operate on any lady, when repercussion come, na there they go. Kolebu get many reports against this doctor where they talk to una about. Even as I dey talk to una like this, some people still dey. My problem with una be say, even as una dey hear say things dey happen, people die, people still dey suffer, una go still go. Una go still go. If una know how many girls don't die for this man hand, Rex Fafa, that one dey part. Stacy Ofei, she dey part. I don't know whether una know am. Na the CEO of National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program. She died too. Wait, now because of this one matter, they even arrest this man. Later they put her on bail. This bail wahala, I don't tire for them. See, una dey copy white people. Una no know see white people even get equipment where they use. I know they support them, but at least if you want to do something, even if it bad, do it the right way. I don't understand una cheap things. 12,000 Ghana cedis operation. Una well done. Even some celebrities, as I dey talk to una like this, they still dey inside this matter. They. For una wey no know, Madam Joycelyn Dumas, she dey inside. Princess Shingo, that one your name sef. See, they sound like person wey single. No wonder you dey do this thing. Nobody wan date you. And Benedicta Agafa, you dey inside. Madam, this one wey her matter na I even bring here. Moesha, your name sef sound like Chinese food. Anyhow, na them they still dey inside. They still dey inside. See, men, una be part of the problem wey we dey face for this generation. Because if una treat una women well, they no go dey insecure. Yes, una be the main part. Before, man dey check woman the way she her character and things. Now na makeup, a person wey get backside, front side, upside, downside, anything now na una eye just dey enter inside. Ladies, make I just tell una one. In fact, na just one thing I wan tell una. Man wey go love you, go love you. No be by big or small. Man wey go dey with you, go accept you just the way you dey. Una know how many women dey suffer with all these big things wey una dey go waste money for? Una no know. Oh, if I be una, I go just change. Change. Because na so God create you, na so you suppose dey. Na him be say the thing wey you dey do now, you dey try talk say God foolish. Wey he give you better body, you go change am. I no go talk past this one. If una like, make una no change. Na here I go still bring una matter. Our very star Kwamina MP. Yes, na Ghana musician. He can't get accident with him papa. Oh, see, this period, I don't know whether na election they cause am. Because plenty accidents just they happen. I don't know whether na because election just they near, I be waiting even they cause this thing. People just they die. The way accidents just they happen, it be like say person just sit down for one place, they press remote. I dey tell una. Imagine November 21st, where Ejura, full bus of NDC members, all those people where they support NDC, the full bus just collapse, accident. And then after that one, even the president's convoy, that one too, get accident. The vice president's wife, accident. Like many things, different accidents just they happen. I know just know. And now this boy don't lose his father as I dey talk to now like this. Yeah, never even end. How many weeks more? Person just losing papa. Anyhow, my brother, you know, see, you are one of my favorite artists. I no go lie, I dey love his song. Una don't hear his song before. The guy good. I beg, accept my condolences. I don't know. I feel I for come visit you, boy. You understand? Make them not say I don't dey come carry another person, husband or boyfriend. But anyhow, from the bottom of my heart, I love you and I'm very sorry. Accept my condolences. From 101 TV, we say we are sorry. Okay? Yes, my people, this is 101 TV and here is your Aproko show where we bring you the latest news. Don't forget, drop your comment there if you have anything to say concerning all I've spoken about. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop new videos. Yes, I'll see you later.